Next naman na i-unbox natin is itong power bank nila na merong built-in cables. So this power bank has 20,000 milliamp hours of battery life. Tulad nung nasa wireless charger guys, may portion din siya dito na transparent and kita yung loob ng power bank. Pag pinress natin yung on button dito, may kita natin yung battery indicator sa harap. Yung mga ports naman sa ibabaw is Type A, micro USB, and of course USB Type C. Sa likod naman guys, andito yung kanyang mga charging cables na built-in which is Type A, Type C, micro USB, and Lightning. So kahit anong smartphone pa yung gamit mo guys, magagamit mo to kasi lahat ng klase ng cables nandito na. When it comes naman sa haba ng kanyang cable, sakto lang naman to kapag nakalagay na yung ating smartphone. Yung haba ng cable niya guys is still flexible, no? Ma-extend mo pa yan ng ganyan. So hindi ka limited na baka matanggal yung cable habang nagcha-charge. Yung weight naman ito guys is medyo may kabigatan, 430 grams siya, pero okay lang kasi 20,000 milliamperes to guys. And ang kinaganda pa dito, up to 20 watts yung kaya niyang i-output na charge. Material na ginamit is made out of plastic.